Your next question is: residents of which country live on trees? These are your options. A. China. B. India. C. Africa. D. Australia. The correct answer is C. Africa. Your next question is: which creature does not have ears? These are your options. A. Ant. B. Snake. C. Spider. D. Hidden bud. The correct answer is B. Snake. Your next question is: in which country was the kite invented? These are your options. A. Russia. B. China. C. India. D. America. The correct answer is B. China. Your next question is: which tree does not contain wood? These are your options. A. Banana. B. Mango. C. Peepal. D. Banyan. The correct answer is A. Banana. Your next question is: does eating dog die? These are your options. A. Curd. B. Samosa. C. Chocolate. D. Pork. The correct answer is C. Chocolate. Your next question is: which bird never makes a nest in its life? These are your options. A. Eagle. B. Crows. C. Cuckoo. D. Pigeon. The correct answer is C. Cuckoo.